Guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So it has been a long time that I haven't literally made a sit down video and a talkie video, and yeah, I really wanted to talk to you guys. So here it is, and in today's video we'll be discussing some of the very Shuddh Desi Indian beauty hacks, and I think you all should know about these hacks, and we'll be covering 10 things, and out of all, I think you must be knowing 5 to 6 of them already. Dadi, nani ya mama se suna hi hoga. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first hack is using castor oil, which I think you can easily find at your home, and I have properly experienced this hack. Using castor oil for your eyelashes helps in growing your lashes really quickly, and it works like magic, I tell you guys. And I take a drop of it every night and apply it to my lashes before sleeping, and you can do the same either by your finger or by a mascara जो खत्म हो चुका है. And castor oil is really thick in concentration, so one drop of it is enough for both of your lashes. The next hack is using raw milk as a cleanser, and it actually works a lot on deep cleansing your skin from dirt, dust and pollution. And on the other hand, raw milk works a lot to make your skin very soft, supple and baby-like. So the next hack is for your hair, and many of you guys have asked me regarding hair fall and dandruff treatments at home, and I have planned a separate video for it. Till then, this hack would be very helpful for you, in which you have to extract onion juice and apply it to your scalp for dandruff removal and the areas where you have literally lost your hair, as it works in both the ways. Now the problem is that onion juice smells yuck. So the alternative to it is chai patti, the tea leaves, used one. You have to wash the tea leaves to remove sugar from it, and then you have to apply the water extracted from that used chai patti and just apply it to your scalp. And in that way you will make a full use of it. The next hack is using honey. It acts as a toner for your skin and makes your skin really tight. And the other thing is that face के brightening में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा help करता है. You have to apply a coat of it onto your face, and you have to wait for 5 to 7 minutes and then just rinse it off and see the results. The next hack is rubbing tomato directly to your face and body to remove tan, as it has vitamin C and citric acid, which works very well for your tan removal. And the only problem is the results being really slow, but on the other hand, tomato adds the shine to your face, and you can easily see that all of your high points of your face looks visibly shiny. Now the next hack is using coconut oil as a cleanser and as a makeup remover, and according to me, coconut oil is the best makeup remover that I've used till date. It gently removes your makeup, and it just cleans your skin like anything, and it removes your makeup even if you're having an inch of it. And the other very good thing about it is that it nourishes your skin from within. The next hack is using masoor dal as a body scrub. You have to just grind the masoor dal and you have to scrub your body twice a week for the best results, and I have made a full video on it, and I'll mention the link to it in the description box. The next hack is, which I have been using from the longest time, and I think you all must have used that face mask or must be knowing about it at least from somewhere, or you must have got some suggestions about it at least. Basically, you have to mix besan with a little amount of turmeric powder and add yogurt slash malai slash doodh. All of them works equally well, and then squeeze half a lemon to it, and this face mask works like magic. Apply it twice a week and then you are done and dusted. The next hack has always been my favorite because of its fast results, and I have been using it from a very long time. Coffee mixed with honey is the best tan remover for your skin, and on the other hand, it instantly brightens up your skin and makes your skin really soft and supple. make sure that you are scrubbing it very gently and in circular motion. And the other thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to just keep your hands away from your eyes. Don't go very close to your eyes. Lemon is the best agent for brightening and lightening of your skin, especially when it comes to lightening of your pimple and acne marks. It has vitamin C in it, which again lower down the melanin content, which is responsible for the darkening of skin. And what you have to do is wash your face and leave it a little wet, and then take half a lemon and rub it onto your face in circular motion and very gently at the same time, and wash it off, and then you'll see results in 1 week itself. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit like and comment your views, and comment down any extra Indian Desi hacks which you know apart from what all I discussed in this video. And please subscribe to this channel. I pyar you guys. Bye bye.